I'm Eric Iantorno.
And I'm Pilar Meza.
And today we're in Rancho, Santa Fe at this beautiful new construction property with massive ocean views. This peninsula view lot creates over 180-degree views.
The views span from La Jolla to Carlsbad.
One of the things I love most about this property is the well thought out architecture and design. The integration of this outdoor space and the indoor space is absolutely perfect for everyday living. This sliding panel door opens up to the kitchen, great room, and an entertainment space that includes a bar and pool table. All spaces look out to the tremendous view.
This privately gated masterpiece offers an abundance of natural light throughout. It also features a private elevator and a 6-car garage.